Today we've got some of the Amped crew joining us on Sunday, just trying to find where the fight is and trying to just sling some BBs, have some fun while exploring such a unique AO, especially one that is as abandoned and kind of remote as the Six Flags is. As always, like and subscribe.
Correct.
Guys, I think we headed. We flank them wide.
Okay, you do that. I'll distract him here.
Keep them high. Yeah, we were already in the water yesterday, so we're good.
Oh, he's out there.
Where? Where?
In the swamp.
Move. Do you see him?
I don't see him, but I hear him.
Honey!
That's dangerous.
He's directly in front of you, Talon. See him? Move.
Yo, be careful, guys. Seriously. Test the depth before you hop in there.
That's what I'm doing.
I got extra clothes if you need them.
You get him?
I got my hands on it.
Awesome. All right, come here.
Y'all be careful coming back to that.
Come on, sweetheart.
This stuff's about to collapse.
Hi, honey. Hi.
I'm not seeing anything.
Neither am I.
Crossing.
Yeah. Get.
So they're going to go from blue to green.
Ice cream? Yeah. I want ice cream.
That's Tan. Tan shooting up here.
You know you're missing an M4 mag on your left hip, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's been empty.
Update. Sticker boxes are not in play at all today. Someone forgot to put it away.
What's up? What's happening, fellas?
Oh, that blue building. Yeah. That blue?
They're
right
in the
there.
blue building?
Yeah, in that little doorway.
Okay.
Keep poking out.
I'm off to your right.
Okay. There's one on the corner of the turquoise building.
Okay.
He's laying down behind some of the PVC pipes, the purple, yellow, and green colored ones.
Yeah.
He's kind of screaming out, so I'm thinking he's dead. There's a whole bunch of green in their spawn blue. Or yellow, excuse me.
Ooh, steamy. Are there guys out there?
Yeah.
One of their spawns is right here.
If we backtrack, is there any way that we
We
can...
can go cut through that way that we were going to go ahead and do, because that's right where the bumper cars and stuff like that we were in last night.
Yeah. Let's try that.
You do that. You do them that way.
Okay. Backtrack.
It's a pretty cool area.
Yeah. Oh, little froggy. Doesn't help their spawn is right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting them in the blue building over here and stuff. They weren't putting in this building, it's kind of funny that one.
Yeah. Their spawn is
Right there.
yeah, on the right hand side of that blue building.
This is going to be your spawn in 5 minutes.
Okay. You guys seen anything that direction?
We're holding their yellow spawn point
Okay.
from the other side.
Okay.
Crisscross applesauce.
Look for more cats.
Yeah. Meow. Ooh, this is nice.
Yeah.
This is nice. Oh, what was that? I heard something shuffle down here. Could have also been a frog. Finding blanks?
Yeah. Good luck, buddy.
We were here last night.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure red is.
Where were they sitting?
Yeah.
I don't
no,
think
we're
here.
walking around, but
They were all within there.
yeah, and then we were hitting the grenades right here. You can see. Look how many.
No, I was throwing
Oh,
them.
I think we chucked about 15 grenades last night.
Yeah.
It was a.
Yeah, it's like all of these right here, Logan.
Like, yes. This. I have a balloon.
Well, we got to take that to Oh, look at how many green are showing up down there.
Yeah.
So we got to take.
this to our spawn.
Yeah, which is.
Put this on. Tie this on my drag handle.
Okay.
I have a balloon. I'm so happy.
What? Shut up.
Yeah, there's a big gator in the water right there.
Whoa.
Where is it?
You can see its snout.
Oh, this.
Floating.
Have you had to use it yet?
That's crazy. That's a big man right there.
Oh, nice.
Doesn't always make it across the front. Sometimes it does.
Make sure you check it for the fucking dolls and shit.
No, I want the poop. Huh? Yeah. Uh-oh. There you guys come out. There you guys come in.
Did the guy dead walking past you say the spawn's flipped?
Hey, there's your guys. Ours.
He did not say that to me.
Talk to an NPC if I can.
They said that's their spawn.
Now I'll get on me.
Okay.
So this dude,
Okay.
like yellow pants. What is he?
What?
What are the yellow pants?
They're NPCs.
Admin.
You go walk up to them, interact with them, stuff like that. Okay.
Yeah. Admin / NPC.
Oh, hit! Good shot.
Shuffle, 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 shuffle.
He's behind the car. Good shot. You really saw out there.
I'm gonna stagger backwards just a little bit.
Did he walk that balloon in?
Sorry, what?
Did he walk the balloon in?
The one with the splatter pattern? Are you talking about Green walking a balloon in?
No, the hand guy was walking that balloon up in there.
Oh. I could not tell you.
Yeah! Fuck yeah! All the way! What'd they do? I literally walked in, said, hey, I need the red pen. And he goes, oh, you want it?
No.
About a ticket, he goes, wait, not yet. Hey, MPC shooting at us?
Yeah.
Alright, we can shoot him, right?
Yeah, but like, I try not to. You need a medic?
I'm out. Fuck.
Right here?
NPC fucking shot me.
No, wait, I'm just jammed. Wait.
There you go.
Come on, bitch.
I can't see through the car. Or, can't see the car at all.
Eric. I'm done. Eric. Total O-ring obliteration. I'm dead. Yeah, I'm done. Cut through the brush here. Not cut through the brush.
But like,
There's a second doorway right here. Do you think that's gonna be long enough for us?
I mean, they don't have an angle.
I don't think so.
They are right there, right there.
Yeah, I don't think so. Oh.
That's all I would do, this one over there. Fuck it.
Yeah. If you can make that throw, bro.
I think I got pretty close when I hucked it right around, but
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Not sure I'll be able to make that.
guys that are right there got to pinpoint it right where
Yeah.
the peak is.
Okay. Then I'm gonna go back a little bit further.
What do you see?
Whoa! They're getting close.
I know. Side, we're good.
You take point then.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Could you med me?
Yeah. When I heard you say you were out, I thought you meant like out of BBs.
I was like out of the way, dude.
Let's give you a little more room.
Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, cross the barrel! Hey!
Yeah. Okay.
That corner's hot.
Are they at the far corner?
Yeah, they got in around the corner by the car. You want a grenade? I got a grenade in my back now.
I don't think it's just a throwable distance.
It's not.
All right.
Logan, are you hit?
I'm dead. I'm moving back the wall, but I don't get off that.
Hey. I'm hit.
You dead?
No. Shit.
You want to waddle over here or you want to stay over there? I can't.
Okay. Okay, you just keep the good fight. Keep doing the good fight. Hey! You guys are dead already?
We're on the front line, bro.
What's going on over there?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Same with right here. They're all down the road, just
Yeah, you'd have to go all the way around past the yellow spawn and then like almost to the red spawn.
okay. Yeah, we got them all the way up to the corner in the road right there.
Oh, yeah, there's a good fight there, Logan.
Not this corner, the next one.
Yeah,
We're gonna cut through these buildings then.
yeah. There's room until their spawn.
Yeah.
My ankles especially remember over there.
Holy shit!
You check that out. I'm waiting for that.
Okay, I want to find some stairs. Aha.
He thought all those babies and he was like, oh, fuck that. I'm good. I got 2 other small ones.
Those are ricochets if I've ever felt them.
There's someone in the swamp by one of the buildings over here then.
No, that was bouncing off of here.
No, I definitely hear it from over here. Oh, there it is. There he is. Coming in?
Yeah. I'm gonna cross over and go upstairs.
Go for it.
Hey guys, get ready for spotting. Like, I feel like a dickhead because you feel like everything's good and it's not like a dickhead. Like he's using an import. That's not a substitute. That's why he can only get out like so many BBs and then
There they are.
Huzzah!
arm and down, and I'm gonna roll right to you.
Got one in front of the SUV.
Don't run it. You got a guy holding the car.
Well, that's me.
Yeah, there you go.
We need Chevy.
Hey, there's two on the car. One's going front, one's going back.
Okay, you ready? Ready.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, yep. Oh, God. We didn't know. We're making sure.
Clear. Oh, they forced that open?
Is that green?
Oh, there's nails on this side, so this is supposed to be a locked and closed door. But
Oh, sorry.
Down.
yeah.
10 minutes.
You guys calling for medic? Here, come on, bro. All right.
Drag me in, just not safe.
They're shooting through brush.
Is that the only 10 guys I'm gonna need medic?
No, there's a whole bunch.
No, there. I got like 6 guys there. Alright, you want to go after them? Go here.
Yeah.
Alright, that works. If y'all can, give me some cover fire while I'm doing it, please.
Yeah.
You want to get him? Yes.
I'm out. I need magazine.
Huh?
I need magazine.
These guys are all dead, but there's one still back there.
Yeah.
That's just kind of, he's hiding right now.
Okay.
I mean, we still got guys right here, down here that are kind of watching that.
Uh-huh.
Fuck that guy.
Okay.
Fuck that guy. Hey, I'll find one.
Huzzah!
Get some brakes in. I want you to know I killed you, and then I sat and thought for like a solid 2 minutes. Should I keep shooting him to pop that balloon? Dude, that'd be a big move. If you would have, I would. And you're like, I'm shooting your balloon. I'm like, fuck it, I won't move. You go for it. I wasn't okay with it. But I decided that'd be too much of a dick move.
Well, I appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
If you would've yelled at me for it, I'm like, I was hurt. I was fine.
I made an attempt, but I don't think you heard me.
Huh?
I made an attempt, but I don't think you heard me.
Okay.
They just like abandon their recall.
What are we?
I don't know. Looking for amped guys. Nope.
They just like abandon blizzard and we take the blizzard.
I don't think so.
Way down to the backside. Oh, you can work up and give that balloon to them.
I'm gonna go back this way and see
Sure.
if we can find.
And that is going to conclude our gameplay of Battle at Six Flags, hosted by Veterans for Airsoft, very lucky that they were able to get us airsoft players onto such a cool AO. Pretty much a once-in-a-lifetime experience before this place, with all of its history, gets demolished and gets built over. As always, consider liking and subscribing.